I spent $160 on this minimalist wallet and less than $10 on this 3D printed one. I think ads trick you into buying products by creating fake problems. And this is a perfect example. This ad makes you think your wallet is uncomfortably full. But $160 for 2 pieces of metal and a rubber band just leaves you with an empty wallet. The cards don't fan out smoothly. RFID theft is extremely rare. So let's 3D print a better one. I found a design on Thingiverse where you can download free 3D printing files, printed the body for about 20 cents, bought some screws and a band on Amazon for less than 10 bucks, and then put all the pieces together in just a couple minutes. My 3D printed wallet switchblades all the cards out so they're easier to grab, and it's only slightly thicker than my phone. So which one do you think is better? Did I just save $150 because